Wheelie competition, here we go. I hate when people are behind me. I'm gonna roost. I just don't want to roost Jace.
We could give a lot more power to wheel drive. We don't want to spray you.
Get it? Damn! Jace is crazy! Let's go!
Oh yeah, you're blowing. Right down here.
You're just gonna rock it?
Okay. Hold on.
You just gonna do it?
Ah, shit. Did my fix not work?
Whoa,
I think it might be getting out of that line down there.
He's
Nope.
steaming up here.
It's this guy.
Yep.
This is my quick fix.
Well, we can find broken parts for 3 axles and white tails,
Yeah. I'm happy to see another YXZ jump in the game.
I'm trying.
Dude, that's sick.
I don't got the paddles for it, but
It sounds like you've got the tune and I've got the paddles. We need to hurry and do something. Broke the Z last night. We did a quick coolant fix because it ended up burning my coolant lines to the turbo. We got out here though, we did it. We did do a sick wheelie. This event has been badass. I'm trying to send it with the old YXZs. I'm trying to let everybody know out here that they still exist.